Hello guys, it's your guy Viera. Welcome back to the Rocket Series Academy with VMS Project 11. We are working with the first angle projection with unit as inches and material as 6061 TS aluminium. Firstly, we are going to design the external portion of the part, and later on we are going to introduce the internal threads. Diving into the project, inch, sketch, front view, corner rectangle, smart dimension, the length from the origin to the end point, 1 inch, the diameter 0.95 divided by 2, corner rectangle, smart dimension, diameter 0.83 divided by 2. Now the length of the rectangle 0.06. The distance from the origin to the rectangle as per our drawing 0.16. Linear pattern, select this inner rectangle, 6 pattern, fine. Smart dimension, the distance of the last pattern to the origin, we got 0.66. Fine, the sketch is fully defined. Trim entity, power trim activated. Stop sketch, feature, revolve base, revolve axe, this axe. Go for the green check. Just come over here, edit sketch. Actually we have some fillets of 0.08 here, so we just have to add a fillet right now. Fillet command, 0.08. Before making a thread, you need to drill a hole first. So firstly, we are going to drill a hole of 0.31 through the part. Then we have to drill a hole of 0.42 at an angle of 144 through a distance of 0.5. Later on, we are going to put threads using this specification. Equally, we got some chamfers of 0.01 at the surface and equally around the groove. Using the surface, sketch, circle command, smart dimension, 0.313, feature, extrude cut, through. Then the part, using the surface, hole wizard, using simple hole, inches or drill size. Make sure this should be half, custom size activated. Now as per the drawing, 0.42, blind at a distance of 0.5. Position, select this face and the origin. Go for the green check. Now let's speak about the threads. Thread location, this location, the thread depth 0.32, thread depth we have 0.32, and then we have diameter of 3 by 8 and a depth per inch of 16. Type we have inch step, size 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is about 0.375, 16. Go for the green check. Now, however, we have this get add. So in order to solve this get add, we are going to use our trick about offset. So we just come over here, edit. We insert an offset value, let's say 0.2. It should be outward, so we reverse the offset. And we scroll down under blind, we add a value of 0.2. Go for the green check. The issue has been solved. Similarly for this side, thread, location, this location, blind 0.32, inch tap. The distance, we have half 13, 0.513. Now offset activated, 0.01, reverse. Just scroll down to the blind value, we add plus 0.2. Okay, go for the green check. Chamfer 0.01, 45 degree, full preview. This edge, this grooves. Go for the green check. With this, we are done with VMS Project 11. If you have any question regarding this project, do well to contact us by Facebook or by email, or even leaving a comment in the commenting box. In the next tutorial, we are going to be generating the M&G code required for VMS Project 11. Keep liking the video, keep sharing, keep commenting. Thanks a lot guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.